up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you 3 Dollar Tree basket or gift ideas. Of course you don't have to include the basket or any of the gift wrap that I'm going to include, but it does give it a little extra boost to looking a little bit more pricey and a little bit more personable. So if you like this type of stuff, make sure that you give my video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So the first basket that I'm going to work on is one that I thought would be perfect for teachers. It could also work for Secret Santa if you wanted to do that, or really anybody. So I'm getting the Santa Claus shaped basket. I'm also going to fill this with the white shreds, but this one has the red inside it, and I really thought that was really pretty. I'm adding in the ceramic apple, and they had different colors if you didn't want to do red. They also had like green and a couple of other colors that I can't really remember. I'm adding in the cranberry body spray and body wash, this unique to Dollar Tree glass, and then I like to add a brand name to spruce it up just a little bit, so I'm adding in the Ferrero Rocher chocolates. And I am going to shrink wrap this basket just so that my new puppy doesn't try to eat everything that's in it, since they're going to sit around the tree, because this year I am giving out these baskets to my actual family and friends, as well as my wonderful mail lady who puts up with me every single day. So after I shrink wrap the plastic on there, I'm going to use the string from the pull bow to tie the string on there, and then I'm going to add a really pretty big red bow. And I also got some name tags, and these just tie to the bag. I got several different ones. You get a bunch of them for $1, and they're just perfect because they'll go with any theme. I thought this one would go perfect, so I'm just going to tie that on there, and that completes this basket.
It's Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a
All right, so moving on to our next basket. This is the Farm Fresh Christmas Trees basket. I did end up getting 2 of these cloth feeling snow, I don't know what you call them, fabric, and I ended up putting 2 in there just so that you could see it on video, but you could definitely get away with just 1 if you wanted to do that. I also put in this buffalo plaid and fur stocking. I did take the tags off of it, and I put in this super cute all you need is coffee mug, and I put in 3 coffee pins, but you can't see those, but it comes in a set, so it's 3 pins for $1. The brownie brittle mix, which is new this year, and then I put in these cinnamon sticks because 1, that's dirt cheap for cinnamon sticks, and 2, they can use them to stir their coffee. I am also putting in this red candle. You'll see in a minute I actually put in another red candle because I take the ornament out to actually tie it onto the gift wrap on the outside of the basket. And then I am putting in the Ferrero Rocher to add a little bit of gold and brand name to it, because again, I like those brand names, so Betty Crocker and Ferrero Rocher. If you want to shrink wrap the plastic that comes from the Dollar Tree, you can use a heat gun or you can use a blow dryer. I actually prefer the way that the baskets looked without being shrunk, so I ended up not doing that towards the last few baskets that I did, and you'll see that in future videos within the next week because I'm going to upload them all as soon as I can, and that way you all will have them by Christmas. So again, I'm just tying the string that comes from the pull along bow and tying that on there with the ornament and a pretty red bow, and that completes this basket.
And still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers.
So the last basket for this video is one of my favorites. So I'm just taking this gold basket, which can also be reused after they open all of their goodies. I'm lining the bottom of it with just plain white tissue paper, and then I'm adding in the white crinkle cut paper, but it also has some hollow in there as well. This cup is my favorite in the entire world, and the camera is not doing it justice. If you find this cup, grab it. It's durable and super well made, and it's just beautiful. I'm adding in these pink polka dot slippers as well as these pink socks. You'll see me add those at the end, but I just want to show you that they were in the basket. I'm also adding in this teal notebook and this super cute cloud unicorn ink pen. After that, we are going to add in this hard candy highlighter, which I was surprised that I found, and I only found 1, and believe it or not, it was on the food aisle. Adding in this sugar bath bomb. adding in this diamond lip gloss, which I took out of the packaging. You of course don't have to, but it just fit better in there, and I think it looked better without the packaging. This candle smells amazing and it's so pretty, so I'm putting that in there as well just to bring some of the gold accents out of the other items. And then here I am putting those socks in there again. I usually save my socks until last, and that way they can hang over the basket just a little bit. And then I'm also going to shrink wrap this one, but I'm actually putting the pull bow on this one that came with the shrink wrap, and a different little to and from tag that I liked better on here. It had some of the hollow in there that brought out the decor from the other stuff. That is it for this video. Be on the lookout for a couple of others coming out within the next week. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.